Hello friends, welcome to E-Class. Myself Smita teacher. Students, open your maths textbook page number 34. New point, we are going to learn dividing two-digit number by a single digit number. Single digit means one digit number. Okay. See, dividing dividing two-digit number by a single digit number. 84, this symbol it shows division. 84 divided by 4. Okay, 4 is single digit. That is our heading. Two digit number is divided by a single digit number. That means one digit number. What is the method? First write down symbol. By this method only, by this symbol only we can solve the division example. Bigger number we have to write here. What is the name for this place? Dividend. Then what is the dividend here? 84, bigger number. Okay, smaller number 4. We have to say the table of 4. See, you have to consider 4's table till 10. 4 tens are 40. Then this is the 84. 84 is bigger than 40. Okay. One example I am telling. See, how we are eating pani puri. Can we cut the pani puri into pieces and can we eat? No, we can't do that. We have to take pani puri full. At a time we have to put in mouth. Same thing here. These two examples are same way. Suppose 8 divided by 4. This full 8 you have to take together. This number you have to take together like as pani puri and eat. That means divide. If the number is bigger than 40. Why 40 I have taken? 4 tens are 40. So if the given number is bigger than 40, then we have to eat like a chapati, cut into pieces and then eat. How? Then 8 separately and 4 separately we have to divide. Divide 8 separately and 4 separately. That means we are cutting the number into digits. Separately we are dividing. Why? Because this number is bigger than 40. But see, suppose like as pani puri, when we take the number together, if that number is smaller than 40, 4 tens are 40, so 40 I have taken. If the given number is smaller than 40, then we can count together. Suppose here 12 I have taken. I will not separate 1 and 2 here. Why? Because 12 is smaller than 40. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. We have in 4's table. In the table of 4 we have. So why to divide? Why to divide it separately? No need. Because like as pani puri we can eat. We can divide. It means divide. Okay. Did you understand this? So 84 is bigger than 40. So we have to separate. First we have to consider 8. Do you know 4's table? Yes. Do we have 8 in the table? Yes, we have 8. Where? 1, 2. At 2's place. 4 twos are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Now 8's turn over. Take 4 down. This 4 we have to take down. Is there 4 in the place? At which place? Here. 4 ones are 4. So 1 write down here. What is your answer? 21 is answer. Quotient is equal to 21. That is our answer. Okay. Did you understand this method? Very good. Students, open your textbook page number 36. Exercise. Carry out the division. Write down the divisor, dividend, quotients and remainder. See, from these are the examples. From this, you have to solve the examples and write down divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Okay. So, which two examples shall I solve? I am going to solve third one and fourth one. Third and fourth, these two examples I am going to solve here and I will explain it. You have to listen carefully and exercise you have to solve in your notebook. Example number 3. 44 divided by 3. This is our example. See, Can you tell me, is it pani puri or chapati? What is meant by pani puri? Pani puri means this both digits we have to take together and we have to divide, like as pani puri. How we are eating the pani puri? Full pani puri we put in our mouth. Or is it chapati? Chapati means cut into pieces and eat. Okay. Cut into pieces and eat means separate the digits and divide. Okay, this is the meaning. Purposefully I have given this example to understand. See, now which table we have to see? Say here 3. 3 tens are 30. Then 30 is, this 44 is bigger than 30 or smaller than 30. 44 is bigger than 30. Right? So we have to divide separately. It is the example of chapati. So we have to separate it. First consider 4. Do you know 3's table? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. First consider 4. Is there 4 in the table? There is no 4. Then now what to do? We can't take bigger number. 6 we can't take. It is allowed to take smaller number. So 3 we have to take. 3 1s are 3. Don't take bigger number than this digit. Okay, here 4 is there. We can't take 4. Sorry, we can't take 6. 6 we can't take. Then what is the smaller than 6? 3. From table only we have to take the digit. Okay, so 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Now take next digit down. Now what we have? 14. Is there 14 in the table? No, there is no 14. Then what is the smaller number than 15? We can't take because 14 is smaller than 15. 15 is bigger. Bigger number we can't take. Then what is the smaller number? This one. 12. So we have to take 12. But where? At which place? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Now do subtraction here. 4 minus 2, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Now I have told you before this video, here what is the name of this place? Dividend. Dividend. Here divisor. Here quotient. After subtraction, what is remain? It is called as remainder. Okay. Did you understand this name of places? Okay. Now consider this example and compare it with these names. Then what is dividend? Can you tell me? This D you can write capital. Dividend. What is here? 44. See, dividend is inside, which is bigger number, that is 44. Now divisor. What is divisor here? This side 3. Quotient. Quotient is answer, that is 14. Now remainder. Remainder means after subtraction what is remain. After subtraction what is remain here? 0, 2. That means 2. You can write 0, 2 or 2. Okay. This is the answer of example number 3. Example number 4. 92 divided by 8. Can you tell me, is it pani puri or chapati? 8 tens are 80 and 92 is bigger than 80. So it is chapati. We have to do division by separating the number. We have to divide this number by separate. First we have to separate the digit and divide it. How? See here. First consider 9. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. Okay. So 8 1s are 8. Why 1s are 9? Is there 9 in the table? No. So what is the number which is smaller than 9? 16 is bigger. So we can't take. 8 we have to take, which is smaller than 9. Okay. 8 1s are 8. This 8 we have to do subtraction here. Subtract 8 from 9. What is remain? 9 minus 8? 1. Now these two, take it down. What is number we got? 12. Is there 12 in the table? There is no 12, and we can't take 16. We have to take again 1. 8 ones are 8. Now see, in second standard we have learned counting backward. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 is the answer. Otherwise, if you wanted borrowing, you can do. See here, 12 minus 2 minus 8 is it not possible? Then borrow from here. 12 minus 8 is equal to 4, 0 will be as it is. In this way also you can do. Now, what is this? Dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. Okay, what is dividend in the example? Dividend is equal to 92. Divisor is equal to 8. Quotient 11. Remainder is equal to 4. Okay, in this way students, you have to solve the exercise from textbook page number 36. So students, today's homework is solve this exercise from textbook page number 36 in your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, eat healthy, stay healthy, and study well.